Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Python. Today, very short, simple one, we're going to be simulating 10 million coin flips. So we're doing with a coin, flipping it over and over again 10 million times. That's simply what we're going to do. Now in the later one, we're going to be doing that same 10 million flips but with 10 coins, and we're going to be hopefully, possibly haven't decided yet, graphing it as well to see what it looks like. So let's take a look at the code. So firstly, we're going to import the random module. So just type in import and then random. That error message is appearing because it's not being used. Next thing to do is to create the coin. So a coin has heads or tails. So we're just going to simply do that. We're going to create a coin, heads or tails. And then, so we've done coin, which is pretty much a list of two items, H and T. Both of which are in speech marks because they are letters. And therefore have to be in speech marks. Then we're going to have an empty list called flip result. This is where we're going to store our results. So just type in flip result and then open brackets and close brackets. And now we're going to do a for loop. So for I, so I is each flip in range of 0 to 1,000. So we're going to start off with 1,000 this time. And every time a flip happens, we're going to have a random choice between heads or tails. So that's done by the random function .choice. Choice is a readily available function within the random toolkit. And then we're going to use coin flip. We're going to activate the coin flip. And then we're going to equal that to coin. And then we're going to append that result to, and we're going to add that to the empty list of flip result. And we'll do that 1,000 times. And then we're going to count each heads or tails result and then print them out. So this is 1,000 times. So forget that message. This is 1,000 times. So let's do that once. So first time, so printing out heads is the top and tails is the result, is the bottom. So let's do that again and again and again. As you can see, we get a split between heads being the top and tails being the bottom. So let's then change our range. Let's do this 1,000,000 times. And then let's do it again. Let's run these again. It takes a bit longer to program each time. As you can see, look, there we go. We're getting, so those two numbers added together, heads and tails, will equal 1,000,000. So as you can see, it's getting closer and closer to a 50-50 ratio. So people predict that only flip a coin it's 50-50. Some people think it's 49-51, but as you can see here, it's very much around that ballpark. So the code's going correct. So now let's do a 10 million coin flip. Might go a bit slowly, but you can see here, and we come here, load. So let's get a new screen for this actually. And then let's do it. Let's run it. So take some time. Yeah, it takes more time. There we go. That's a 10 million coin flip. And let's do it again. It takes quite long this time because it's literally running through that for loop 10 million times. That's why it's taking very long. And then we get another result. And we can keep running those, keep running that. So there we go. That is how you simulate a coin flip in Python, and not only that, but doing that coin flip 10 million times. That's one of the reasons why Python is so great, is that you can simulate things exactly like this so easily. And this is a very short code, and you can do, very powerful things. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out more of my Python tutorials on my channel and subscribe if you like it. And thank you for watching.